Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the available watch faces for this wearable. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces for the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch, and if you want to see the demo for downloading as well as applying wallpaper or custom watch faces for the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you are not yet subscribe now, like and share the video. Okay, so let's begin and explore the world of watch faces or dials for the C39 Ultra smartwatch. So we have here preloaded watch face. You can use the crown button to change the watch face. So let's count the number of watch faces for the wearable. So let's start with this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have at least 4 preloaded watch face. You can download additional watch face for your wearable with a support app. So open the app. So we have here the HiWear Plus application. So this smartwatch is using the HiWear Plus. Go to the dial section, and as you can see here, we do have the My Dial, Dial Mall, and the DIY Dial. Okay, looking at the UI here, I think it is just the application is just a rebrand, or it has been renamed, customized for the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch. I think it is the HRY Fine app. Okay, they just changed the name to the HiWear Plus application. The layout here is very familiar. So the My Dial section is the location of watch faces. Okay, the downloaded watch faces. Then the Dial Mall, as you can see here, is the list of watch faces for your wearable. If you want to download an additional watch faces, just go to the Dial Mall. And as you can see here, we do have the recommended watch faces. So let's explore. So it is a combination of analog and digital watch faces, but more on the, I think more on the analog watch faces here. Okay, let's scroll for more designs. Okay, this one is retro. I like the unique design here. So here are the available watch faces for the wearable. This one is also good. Okay, we'll try this one. Okay, digital and analog watch faces. So we do have a very good list here, comprehensive list of watch faces. So new product listing. Okay, I like this one. Okay, we'll try this one instead of the previous watch face. Okay, more watch faces here. I like to download this one, but I changed my mind. I think I'm going with the other design. Okay, so we do have a lot of cool looking, premium looking watch faces for our C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, I guess that's it. It's more than 20, I think around 30 watch faces. So let's have an example here. Let's have the first one, this one. Okay, it is free view, and seems like it is animated. Redeem now, use immediately. Then let's wait 30%, and as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. Let's wait. 60%, 70, 90, and we have here our animated watch face. Nice. This is a beautiful looking watch face, I think. We do have the step counter here. We have the payment. We have the music control. I think this is an interactive also, or functional. We have the heart rate. Okay, the Bluetooth connectivity, the alarm. Okay, nice. Okay, beautiful looking watch face here. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 now. Okay, let's see if we can download an additional watch face. Okay, let's go with the second one. This one. Okay, redeemed now. Use immediately. Let's see if we can add an additional watch face aside from the previous watch face. 33%. And we have here another watch face. Okay, so this one, okay, it's not functional. Okay, I like the first one compared to this one. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you can only download one watch face at a time. Our previous watch face has been deleted or overwritten, as you can see here. Okay, next, let's have the DIY dial, or the custom watch face. For some, they tag it or they call it custom wallpaper. Okay, let's have an example here. Let's have this one. Okay, check. Drag the time. Okay, we'll put it here. We'll change the color. Okay, then check. Pedometer, you can change it to other data here. Date. We'll change it to sleep. Then save and use. Let's wait. It's now pushing. As you can see, our smartwatch here switched to download mode. Okay, let's wait. Just a few seconds, we'll have our custom watch face. And we have here our custom watch face. Nice. Okay, so very easy to apply, very easy to download. Let's see if we have a separate section for a custom watch face as well as downloaded watch face. Okay, as you can see here, you can download one watch face from the Dial Mall and you can apply one custom watch face. Okay, we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces for our C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!